guess what made a comeback? Yep. This mess has made a comeback. See how my levels are just going up when I'm moving these? They fixed this bug at one point. You know, they fixed this bug in like 1.18 point, I don't know, 12, 11, and now 1.18.30, it's out, and this bug returns. Now, keeping up with the betas and previews of Bedrock Edition, it seems they have fixed this bug again. But, how did this bug return and make it into a full version? Mojang, how'd y'all let this happen, dude? How'd y'all let this happen? I expect there's probably going to be a hot fix which fixes this bug. Like there was. It probably like 1.18.31. So, I guess, enjoy the bug while it lasts. Yeah. Why? How'd y'all make this? Why? The fact that they, don't do that. they brought back the bug. Why? What kind of city dog is this, dude? Man, that's just nuts. Well, talking more about 1.18.30. Look at this. Look at the. Let's go on top of the tower. Which, I'll show you the tower in a little bit. But look at how the far distances appear. Of course, it's turning night, so you can't really see. Okay, so look at this. Alright, it looks kind of grainy, right? It looks kind of grainy. That's because Android uses, well, basically every platform now uses Render Dragon. And this is the one thing I noticed between the old system, which I finally learned its name, HAL, between HAL and Render Dragon. I finally noticed a difference. It's how they are rendered in the far distance. Like, it's all grainy and stuff. Someone said it reminds them of how it was rendered during the Xbox 360 days, and you know what? It kind of does. Maybe. I mean, I've played that version before, but it's been a while. Because, it's been kind of discontinued and stuff. And, yeah. So, anyway. Yeah, so, flipping XP exploit bug is back. And, yeah. Come on, end the recording.